Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
Sumabay, tumakdak, tumalon, din ako tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi kapot. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, musas-mot, pasok sa kalawang palika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Baba ang lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasali. Under division, LBDL Galians versus Christina Secret Garden Hoops Academy. It's an early foul para dito sa Hoops Academy. Atanasio missed the second. It's a rebound para dito sa CSG. Asigurado. Inside. Finding Asigurado. Shot clock winding down. Is palaruan. Espiritu. Bibigay dito yung Candelario. Back to Espiritu. Launches. That's short. Palaruan attacks. Misses. Palaruan again. Tries from the corner. Triple no good. Here comes LBDL. Espiritu. Layup on the baseline. No good. Sa foul ang jersey number 28 ng LBDL. Shot lang winding down. Belda the rebound. Asegurado, corner. Out of bounds for Hoops Academy. Out of bounds, another turnover para CSG. And LBDL calls for a first time out of the ball game.
Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball Liga, 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga, 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga, 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 Liga.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, tinakot, tumitre, tumilay off nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, mutas-mot. Pasok sa kalawang patika na ikaw ang bila.
Velvet D-League Basketball Liga, Liga, Liga.
The Hoops Academy ball. The kick out, corner triple, basket. Espiritu. Ibigay dito ko Obido, baseline, no good. Ching, passive rebound. Count the basket plus the foul. That's Ching. Ching completes the 3-point play. Palaruan the fake, inside pass. Micas, extra pass to Mauhay, no good. Sobido. Nice pass, Espiritu. Misses on the lob, but gets on the follow-up. Mauhay. Espiritu the rebound. Obido. Ahead pass, out of bounds. We have a substitution. Obido. Tax. Scoop shot, no good. Obido again. Saving the ball. Ends with the wrong hand. Marquez. Ibigay dito kay Flores. 10 seconds on the shot clock. We have a whistle and a foul. Will be called on jersey number 29 of LBDL. Flores again. Nice defense by LBDL. Obido completes the steal. Obido. Layup, basket, plus the foul. What a move by Obido. Hangs in the air against two defenders of Hoops Academy and still gets the basket. Now it's a chance for a 3-point play. It's a pushing foul on Obido. That's his first personal foul. It's an out of bounds. It's a LBDL ball. Palace gets the offensive rebound, and the basket is good by Palace. And jersey number 4 answers back with a 2-pointer, Vistal. Lagunsad finding Obido. Obido attacks. Obido hangs. Nice defense by Hoops Academy. Obido again stays on the play. Palace. Flores. Way out. Now Palace gets triple team. Candelario, top of the key, 3-pointer, no good. Fighting for the rebound. It is Suase, gets the ball. Suase pushing. Suase, layup. He gets it to go. Pushing foul on Palace. Also Palace with his first personal. Oh, it's a traveling violation. Amoranto with a miss. Palace again. And Palace gets fouled inside the paint. It's on Marquez. Marquez with the second personal foul. Palace missed the first free throw. Also missed the second. Oops, Academy. Marquez with the ball. Marquez pull up basket. Candelario attacks. Nice defense by Marquez and Bistal. And another whistle and another foul para sa Hoops Academy. It is on Bistal. No good on the first attempt. Also on the second. And the steal. Fast break. Intercepted. Also steal. And the pass break. Chase down back by Rondolos. Suase. Tag. Suase no good. Rondolos. Short jumper. Again, another miss para sa Hoops Academy. And Candelario tries to beat the buzzer. That's the end of the first quarter.
Nang hindi ka boss, mga moves na pang hoops ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, tinako, tumitre, tumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, mutas smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro, dapat halimaw.
On the attempt. And number 21, Mike S. gets a personal foul. Candelario missed the first. Ten seconds to shoot, Nazareno. And a steal. Pass break on the other end, Candelario. He gets the lay. It's an official's timeout. Short jumper, Mauhay. Can't hit. Pass break on the other end. And he misses the layup. Out of bounds. It's LBDL ball. Espirito checks in para dito kay Candelario. It's an out of bounds. No, it's a foul on jersey number 4 of LBDL. Abonala. That's his first personal foul. Also first team foul para sa LBDL. Here is Nazareno. Di-discuss. Ball stays on LBDL. Espiritu. On to jersey number 0. Air ball. Atanasio. Sa ilalim. Alcantara. It's on Atanasio. Banasihan open. Spiritu. Badly missed the shot. And still Espiritu ahead. It is gives it to Mike S. Mike S. 3. Monterola again with the rebound. Balik sa LBDL ang bola with fresh 14 seconds. It's a foul on jersey number 30 on Alcantara. Whistle on the foul. So on jersey number 3, Atanasio. Also a Spurs personal. Palaruan inside the paint. Another miss. Espiritu attacking. Fall away jumper. Battle for the rebound. Sigurado secures the ball. Nice stop by Asegurado. And a timeout called by Hoops Academy.
Atir lahat ng manlalaro. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang.
Laro. Ching inside. Ching using his body. There's a foul on number 28 of LBDL. It is Biosa of LBDL. Biosa with the ball against Palaruan. Bibigay dito kay Espiritu. Espiritu agad. Marquez, the floater. Biosa the spin. Biosa, nice fake. And nice rejected by Marquez. Obido the steal. Biosa saves the ball. On to Espiritu. Nabibigay dito kay Obido. Nice find. Biosa. It's a timeout by Hoops Academy.
Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball.
Back to inside pass. Palaruan. Nice defensive block by Palace. Obido. Basket. Espiritu. Ibigay dito kay Obido. Obido fires. Wing 3-pointer, no good. Belda again. The running shot by Belda. The kick out. Asegurado. Fixed. It's a foul on Palace. Holding Santos. Foul para dito sa LBDL. Asegurado again. 5 seconds. Shot clock winding down. Flores. Back. Asegurado fires and hits. Asegurado beating the shot clock. Lagunsad loses the ball. Belda with the steal. Transition. Belda finding Asegurado. Fall away jumper. Basket by Asegurado. It's a 5-0 run para dito sa CSG Hoops Academy. Lagunsad will attack. Lagunsad hangs. No good. Battle for the rebound. Palace. Obviously board. A whistle and a foul. It's a foul. San Santos. Santos gets his first personal. Palace makes the first free throw. But misses on the second. Flores now running. Flores. That's his second personal foul. LBDL is in penalty situation. Now Flores on the line. Makes the first free throw para dito ay Flores. We have a loose ball foul called on LBDL. That's on jersey number 22. Now Vissal on the line. Now he makes the first free throw. Now also makes the second. 2 for 2 para dito kay Vistal. The rebound, Lagunsad underneath the basket. Now Asegurado finding Vistal. Belda. Now foul committed by Lagunsad. That's a bad foul para dito sa LBDL. Para dito sa Hoops Academy. And Belda will be rewarded the 2 points. Free throw para dito. Belda. Second shot is good para kay Belda. Nice defense by Hoops Academy. Tanasio somehow gets the ball to Candelario. But another foul is called against Hoops Academy. It's on Vistal. His second personal. And a timeout called by LBDL.
lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na uli.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling parang si...
Now sealed by Ovido. And ahead is Espiritu. Nice find by Ovido. Defense to offense and another turnover para sa Hoops Academy. As they turn the ball over. Balik dito sa LBDL ang bola. Espiritu, bibigay dito, Ovido, Atanasio, baseline, using his body, Atanasio, power move. Gets the ball top, ball stays on Hoops Academy. Flores with the fake pass. Flores kick out. Rondolos corner triple basket's good. Fast break. This Biosa ahead. Biosa against two. Biosa again. And he was fouled on the second attempt. It will be on Flores. Now Biosa on the free throw line. Missed the first free throw. Diosa again. Gets off si board. Espiritu. Iiwan dito kay Atanasio. PSG ball. Now we have a substitution. Palace checks in. Now Flores. Rondolos. Missed the shot out of bounds. Now Obido will attack. Obido no good. Palaruan gets an opening lane. Espiritu now sa ball. Iwan dito ay Obido. Pat to Palace. Palace inside. He gets fouled. That will be on Rondolos. Personal foul. We have a substitution para sa LBDL. Palace missed the first. Also missed the second. It's Flores ahead. Flores with a layup, no good. Badasian finding Obido. Attacks Obido. Lays it in. And out of bounds. Ball goes to LBDL. Another turnover para dito sa Hoops Academy. Violation called on Obido. Have a holding foul call. That's on Suase. Espiritu gets some space. Espiritu hits the three-pointer. Banasian the steal. Nice pass. Espiritu Lagonsad. Espiritu with that behind the back pass. Flores can't get the lay. Espiritu grabs the rebound. Transition. 3-on-1. Espiritu lays it in. And Cristina Secret Garden calls for a timeout.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, tinako, tumigre, tumiling up nang hindi kapot. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet mo sa smooth. Pasok sa kalawang panika na ikaw ang bila.
Velvet D-League basketball illegal legal legal legal. Velvet D-League basketball illegal legal legal legal. Velvet D-League basketball illegal legal legal legal.
Palaruan. Kick out. Asegurado. Holding foul called on Lagunsad. That's his fourth personal, Lagunsad. Asegurado. Floater no good. Whistling another foul. It's against Marquez with a loose ball foul. Candelario gives to Palis. Ovido the steal. Nice dish. The jersey number 15. And the left hand layup basket. Now Banasian steal. Mauhay. Candelario finding Banasian. Baseline basket. LBDL keep pressuring Hoops Academy on the defensive end. Palaruan, the kick out, Mauhay swings the ball, Asegurado launches no good. LBDL again running, Obido on the other end, and he scores. Another easy basket para sa LBDL. Again, almost a steal by Obido. Ball stays on CSG. Sigurado, di diskarte. Cross-court pass, finding Mauhay. Nice defense by LBDL. Shot clock winding down. Amaranta attacks. Left hand, no good. Nice defense by Santos. Asegurado intercepted the pass. Asegurado. And he loses the ball out of bounds. Lots of turnovers para dito sa Hoops Academy. Moranta again with the ball. Bibigay dito kay Candelario. Candelario will attack. Running shot, floater, basket. Mauhay against Candelario. The Sereno gives it to Belda. Now, unsportsmanlike foul will be called on Giriba. Griba and Santos. So foul away from the ball. Now Griba will checks out. He will be out for at least 3 minutes. 2 shots plus ball possession on the side of Hoops Academy. Belda, bibigay dito kay Nazareno. Shot clock winding down. Marquez fires. Can't connect. Amoranto, pass break onto Candelario. Waiting for his teammates. Ching. To Biosa. Now Biosa attacks from the baseline. Mauhay secures the ball. Loses. Amoranto. Sa ilalim. No good. Candelario. Nice. Great hands by Belda. Belda. He completes. Basket's good by Belda. King against Santos. Spins. Amoranto. Misses. Santos again with another rebound. Para sa CSG. Nazareno pushing the ball. Belda. Running floater. Mauhay attacks. Mauhay gets fouled. It's a foul on jersey number 22 of LBDL. The fast break, Amoranto. Left hand layup basket. Mauhay. Creating space, Mauhay. He missed the shot. Amoranto will be called for traveling violation. Balik dito sa CSG ang bola. With fresh 14 seconds on the shot clock. Belda. Nine seconds. 9. Marquez. Short jumper, no good. Belda against Biosa. Shot lang one. Basket. Catello with a fake. Gives it to jersey number 22. Nazareno with a turnover. Catello. Lays it up, no good. Biosa stays on the play. Last 15 seconds. Marquez. Soaps Academy turns the ball over. Now with 7 seconds on the game clock. Turns it over. That's the end of our third quarter. The score is 54-37. LBDL headed into the fourth quarter.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang.
Down to our last quarter. It is 57-34 para sa LBDL. Atanasio inside, traveling violation. Ejected. Nasho gives it to Espiritu. On to Palace. Palace gets doubled. Palace loses the ball. Belda. Finding Flores. Flores against Obido. Flores with a nice move. Somehow can't get the shot. Obido running shot. Well contested and well defended by Hoops Academy, but Obido still get the shot. Alcantara. Nice two-man game by Rondolos and Alcantara. Obido. Now, Espiritu. Pull-up jumper, no good, but Atanasio. Offensive board. And gets the basket. Shot clock winding down. Flores. Corner three, no good. Mike S again. Strips by Atanasio. Kick ball violation. Flores. Flores with a long two-pointer. Now, Basnasihan. Atanasio well defended. Nice defense by Flores, but still gets the basket. Good defense, but better offense para Atanasio. Now, Banasihan. One game, also defense on the other.
Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Back to the ball game tayo, mga ka-Velvet. Flores again, another long two-pointer, this time no good. pass too strong for Biosa. Flores attacks. Flores, another miss. Biosa with the rebound. Obido finding Spiritu. Can't get the lay. Out of bounds. Gariba checks into the ball game. Papalitan dito si Palis. Also Candelario for Espiritu. Inside pass. Palaruan with the fake. Palaruan attacks from the baseline, out of bounds. Candelario now on to Gariba. Gariba with a nice fake. Can't hit. Gariba again. Another miss. Ball for the rebound. Mike secures the ball. On to Rondolos. Palaruan sidestepping. He gets the layup. Good shot. Bibigay dito at Candelario. Abonilla. On to Marquez, wide open, three-pointer. Marquez misses. Candelario, bullet pass. Biosa on the other end. Gets the easy basket para dito sa LBDL. Palaruan, inside pass. Rondolos. Alongside with the cross, loses the ball. Palaruan again, zigzagging his way. Gariba shoots the rebound. Asegurado steals. Nice fake. Asegurado faking Gariba. Lagunsad again, lose the ball. Palaruan. The foul called on Candelario. Candelario with the ball. To Catelo. Catelo with a fake. Catelo splitting the defense. Can't hit. Laruan finding Asegurado. Pass break. Asegurado missed the wide open layup. Now Lagunsad. Asegurado the steal. To Palaruan. Palaruan gets the basket. Candelario. Lagunsad. Well defended. Catelo. Back on defense. Rejected by Marquez. Catelo recovers the ball. The basket para dito kay Candelario. Holding foul called on Catelo. Monterola inside. Monterola misses. Candelario attacks and he gets fouled. Number 10 calls for a personal foul. Rondolos sending Candelario on the line. Second shot's good para kay Candelario. Down to our final 2 minutes. Rondolos to Asegurado. And he calls for a traveling violation. Another whistle, traveling violation naman para dito kay Gariba. Shot clock. Wala na. The pass break, Abonilla. And gets the jumper. That's 15 seconds. Foul on Catelo. That's 5 seconds. And LBDL defeating CSG Hoops Academy with a 74-49 final score. And stay tuned mga kabelbet para sa ating last game. It is LBDL Galleons versus Blue Steel Basketball.
basketball liga, 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 liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagi